Alright, so in this devlog I'll try to do the level designing and finish the port area finally. But before I do that, I want you to go down and click the link in the comment section, which will take you to a Steam page of this game. These two games, they are made by my friends Andrew and Need Games, and I just want you to go and wishlist it. It will help them a lot. And also, I'm so close to 200 subs, so you should subscribe. Hey guys, Manaki Senpai here, and welcome to my devlog. This is my game Heilmwater. I'm currently working on it. It's a top-down, old-school Zelda style game with slight elements of Metroidvania thrown around and MOBA style combat, that is League of Legends style combat. Alright, so I'm making some dirt paths and grass paths. It's very simple. So I already had the grass texture, I made the dirt texture now, and yeah, that's the first inside one, and then flip it and you get the outside one. Just gotta make sure it tiles properly, and there's that. So yeah, this is the dirt one. Now this is the stone path. Similar to dirt one, just instead of dirt there's just stone. I also had to make the stone texture, and yeah, same story, just make them tile properly. Alright, so in this devlog I'll try to do the level designing and finish the port area finally. We have the terrain that needs to continue to this area, I need to transition it. Then we have this basic structure done, I need to add houses and stuff. So I imported everything and I'll just start level design. So this is all the houses stuff, and then you have the cranes and stalls and stuff, and then you have trees and stuff. Anyways, so also I have this new tile set that I just made. This one just for decorations. You see small grass patches around the house would be cool. So yeah, just looking, kind of taking inspiration from stuff like this. We'll see. Anyways, so here's the time lapse. So I never really voice over the level design time lapse, so I don't know what to talk about stuff. I guess I use a lot of level design philosophies here and there, and then some of the stuff is just random wherever, and some is logical level design, human brain philosophy. So yeah, I'm just placing houses. I really don't know what to talk about. I'll just read what I'm doing, I guess. And these are the stalls, and that side path will go to the stall. And here I decided to indent the port area a bit to make it slightly more interesting. And then yeah, you have the houses where either the people will live or the stuff they store, because it's a port, right? The people live, that works in the port, and then you need the storage. And then I just go around making the roads and stuff. So yeah, that's the level design. Alright, so I kind of am done with the port area. I just haven't littered everything with barrel because I'll add shadows and stuff, and then I'll copy paste it, or else it will be pain to add shadow to every single thing. But houses and stuff is fine because there are only 8 and stuff. Barrels will be littered all over the place, so yeah, it's better just to copy them later. So let's see how it looks while in the play mode. No, I haven't done the sprite sorting properly yet. There will be some jankiness. Yeah, that looks cool. And since we don't have any collision, I can just walk up there, which is pretty sick. I feel like the crane parallax should be slightly lowered. We'll see. House parallax seems fine. Yeah. Oh yeah, house parallax is very good. as you can see, it's not rendering properly. There is no sprite sorting or anything like that. But yeah, like, looks sick. Feel like Arcane's height is the stalls are too small? Question mark. Like, even this door, I need to make everything slightly bigger, I guess. Yeah. Yeah, too small. And okay, is this high enough? I feel like it is high enough, right? It is big enough, right? I can make it slightly more bigger, but like considering Arcane is like a 6 feet 5 inch giant. Yeah, yeah. I feel like this is good enough. I'm walking on water. Yeah. Sick. Oh yeah, nice. So yeah, what do you guys think? Write in the comment section. How does it look? You like it? Alright, so as Neat Game said, I'll add clothes, skin in the next devlogs. So right now it's just no skin, but on top of it there will be. I made it this way so I can add skin whenever I want. So this is the default skin you can buy clothes from the shops in different areas. In my game, it's easy customizable. So since I have to draw every animation again, it will take a while. It will take a whole devlog. So I'll do that in the next devlog. So yeah, see ya next time. Bye bye.